Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cash and welcome to another video. Yeah, so we're doing the marquee letters, DIY. I don't know where we printed these out from, but we got this from Etsy. We got y'all. If you want it, it's linked below in the bio, maybe.
So you're literally just going on the outskirts.
Once my plane landed in Florida, they put me straight to work, but understandably so. We have been planning this surprise party for about 3 to 4 months and the time was finally here. This was majority of our first time planning a party, much less a surprise party, but we did not enlist the help of a party decorator. We decided to go ahead and do the decorations ourselves so that we could have everything how we wanted it, as well as make sure it fit within our budget. The vibe's looking good. The vibe's looking good. We got the 0 to cut out. So now, fast forward, we are officially 1 day away from the party. And none of the decorations are finished yet, much less started. Luckily, we were only kind of throwing a dinner party, so we wanted our decorations to be simple, classy, and just add to the overall ambiance of the night. We thought marquee letters would be perfect for this occasion. My mom ended up purchasing a template off of Etsy for the 5 and the 0, and we bought lights so it could light up as well. We used Canva to create our welcome signs that we wanted our guests to see when walking in. Woohoo! Look at all of these balloons. We got a lot more going. You see diamonds dancing, sequins dancing. Hello, you haven't seen my face in a really long time. We are in Florida to throw a surprise party. This is our first time I've ever thrown a surprise party. But we got trained professionals here. My girl, she do ballooning. Can you give them a demonstration of how amazing you are? Oh, I thought you had some extra open. Maybe you don't have to, it's okay. But hit my girl up, hit my girl up. You see the balloons, you see the balloons. My aunt literally had the perfect random talent, and I don't want to call it random, but she is a beast when making balloon arches, balloon decor, anything like that. Like, she really needs to start her own business, but she made all of these balloon arches by herself and blew them up. Our theme was black and white with accents of gold, so this is gonna look perfect. I mean, what's a party without an open bar? So we did have to purchase the alcohol through the venue, but we came up with this really creative specialty drink list that all our guests could order from. We had these really cute Hello 50 napkins and black plates we ordered from Amazon. And here is a peek at the menu. The drink menu was perfect because it provided a visual of the drink, what actually came in the drink, as well as just gave people a list to choose from so they don't have to worry about coming up with their own drink. Now let's get into the dinner table setup. A nice touch that we got customized was the tablecloth. We got it half black and half white to play into the theme. We felt like clear plates with black accents would complement the tablecloth the best, and to touch it off, we ended with gold utensils. We received access to the venue about 4 to 5 hours before guests started arriving for us to be able to decorate. In addition to the marquee letters, we wanted a balloon arch that covered a big board with 5 and 0, and honestly, this is what took us the most amount of time and honestly caused a little bit of stress because my aunt was the only one who knew how to do the balloon arch. But you know what they say, it's not a good party if, well, I don't really know what they say. Good, right? Happy birthday to you. I thought I was going to a street
You had the pool sport and everything. From what I understand, a lot of work went into it. I really appreciate it.